Whose birthday was it? Can you explain what happened when the sun goes down?
I would vote shorter.
But yeah, we can see a picture then, or
your husband.
Happy birthday, Joe. We love you. And the Dodgers.
I don't love the Dodgers, but I most definitely love Jill Buck.
Happy birthday!
Go, 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 go. Oh, wow. Go, go, shorty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip a party like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. Go, 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 shorty.
But I found a different buzz. The world is a curse, it'll kill if you let it. I know they got pills that can help you forget it. They bodily call it medicine, but I don't need drugs, 'cause I'm already high enough. I only got eyes for you. Don't try to give me cold water, sober up. All I see are tomorrows. Oh, the stars were made for us. I'm already high enough. You got me good.
Your party! Oh yeah, baby, I got something to say tonight. What you got to say? Every time I try to find the words, don't come out right, and I can't stop thinking about you. No, I can't stop thinking about you. Do you want me? Do you need me? 'Cause I think I'm falling in love. Don't go, baby, bye-bye. Tell me that you want me tonight. Oh no, don't be shy. Tell me that you want me tonight. Baby, dance with me. Come on and dance with me. Clap your hands with me. Go to France with me. Beating hard, racing in my chest. It's beating hard. Yeah, pretty girl, it's sticking all the way across the world. Do you want me? Do you need me? 'Cause I think I'm falling in love. Don't go, baby, bye-bye. Tell me that you want me tonight. Oh no, don't be shy. Tell me that you want me tonight. Baby, dance with me. Come on and dance with me. Clap your hands with me. Go to France with me. Come on and dance with me. Come on and dance with me. Do you want me? Do you need me? 'Cause I think I'm falling in love. Go there.
Oh, that was so close. Okay. It's my birthday. I'm about to swim with. What am I swimming with?
Well,
All sorts of
dolphins,
things. Dolphins,
squids,
squid, ew.
flying fish.
Some snaky looking things.
Oh, it's a worm.
And a large trumpet fish. Don't like those.
I love it. Here comes the dolphin. Here comes the dolphin. Can you explain what happened when the sun goes down and the water, the ocean turns black as night and then creatures come to life from the depths?
So on this boat, we get to go night swimming, and it is pitch black, and then they turn on the lights, and then, like you said,
it attracts the
creatures
squid and the
from
jellies
below. And usually
and the flying fish.
we get in. Usually we get in because the dolphins come because they're eating the flying fish. But this time,
Whoa! Get it! Insane. Whoa! Look at how long those tentacles are.
We spotted box jellyfish, which are crazy dangerous. If you're the type of person that would like swell up from a bee sting, then these box jellyfish
can
might
kill you.
Yeah, it's gonna end you. And so they said, do not get in the water. Well, they said we don't advise you to get in the water. Jim and Allie, you know, they were in right away. And then me and Lindsay are sitting there just like, we want to get in, we want to get in. So Lindsay Cosgrave and I would come up with
she's
a
the brave
scheme.
one.
We'd go back to back. Lindsay, you had my back and I got yours.
Is that really the song you're going to use for you and Lindsay?
Maybe.
Tomorrow comes, I'll be on my own, feeling frightened of the things that I don't know. When tomorrow comes, and though the road is long, I look up to the sky, and in the dark I found lost hope that I won't fly. And I sing along, then I sing along. I gotta run even like a chill and look around me and see a sweet light.
Back to back for basic.
So like on the top, but you're my flashlight. You're getting me through the night. Can't stop my heart when you shine it in my eyes. Can't lie, it's a sweet life. I'm stuck in the top, but you're my flashlight. You're getting me through the night. Light, you're my flashlight, light. Oh, you're my flashlight. Oh, when I got you, light. You're my flashlight, light.
Holy cow.
Everyone wake up. Julianne, I'm dead. You killed the angel. Which happens to be MAFIA.
When they're in like when they're soldiers.
Christy, I choose between Gary and Jill. Okay, thank you. Open your eyes.
I'm still gonna go with Allie because I still feel like a winner.
Okay.
Okay. I think it's Jess.
Allie thinks Jess. Garrett?
Don't let it be you.
I'll vote for Allie.
Good call.
All right.
Well,
So, Allie, let us know. What were you?
A pig. Stand up. You!
Wait, she's MAFIA!
Jess! Jess! I bonded with Allie! Okay, Mafia, open your eyes. Who do you want to kill? Everybody open your eyes. Okay. Allie, you're dead.
Who do you think it was, Al?
Who do you think it was? Is it Shelly?
I told you
So I
You were so good. I was
Shelly! I've never seen her play that well. That was
good.
amazing.
Wow.
So this trip is becoming something of a tradition for us.
Just the best tradition. And one of those traditions is that we bring on board with us 2 Seabobs.
What's a Seabob?
A Seabob is like an underwater scooter. It's more like an underwater rocket for
Yeah.
sure. And the dolphins love it.
What you know about rolling down in the deep when you
mental freeze when these people talk too much. Put that in slow motion, yeah. I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay, what you know about rolling down in the deep when your brain goes numb? Put that in slow motion, yeah. I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. She say that I'm cool. I'm like, yeah, that's true. Get it? Everything that I do is electric. I'ma keep it in motion, keep it moving like kinetic. I been going right around, call that relay. Pass the baton, back in the mall, swimming in the pool, can't you come on? When a piece of this, a piece of mine, my piece of sign. Can you please read between the lines? My rhymes inclined to break your spine. They say that I'm so fine, you could never match my grind. Please do not waste my time. What you know about rolling down in the deep when your brain goes numb? You can call that mental freeze when these people talk too much. Put that in slow motion, yeah. I feel like an astronaut in the ocean.
Thank you so much to all of our friends that joined us for this trip. We've said it so many times that our very favorite thing is sharing what we love most with the people that we love most. And my very favorite moment from this entire trip was once upon a time, I took off my adventure band and I played tag with the dolphins. I would show the dolphins my adventure band, I would put it out into the water, and they would take it and swim with it.
That is nuts. The
pass it
fact
back
that you
to
can
me?
do that with a wild dolphin? What?
They're so smart. And so it was really, really fun this time to have like all the friends get involved.
Yeah.
And they're passing it to him and then to her and then to me. Oh, it's so amazing. My absolute favorite.
Your dreams were nobody else.
Bunk beds. What do you guys think? You want to come next time?
Yeah.
Does this place look fun?
Yeah.
This was Mom and Dad's. If you can get up there, you can sleep up there next time. Oh, you did it. Nice job.
Strike one, you only get 3 strikes. Get it, get it.
Yes.
There you
Whoa.
go. Go, Kelly, go. Yes, yes. Go.
Oh!
It's actually the case, then that'll be fine. It's 11 o'clock right now. Okay. What do you think about when you calm your heart? Is your knees right there? That's perfect. I'm curious to know if there's like different stuff or if it's the same.